preying on someone at an inopportune time. Give you $100 for it.
Yeah.
50.
Yeah.
You think you got gas?
No, I know I have gas. It's a bad sensor.
Really?
Yep.
You gotta love these things till they break.
Yep.
Sometimes if it's a fuel pump, you just hit the fuel tank.
Yep. We're just getting ready to do
Now, hang on, maybe I'm dressed a little... Don't get on your hands and knees.
Oh, that's all right.
I'm a little... Well, actually, I'm not sloppy dressed. Usually I'm a lot worse. You know where the fuel tank is? There's a big piece of cardboard here. You can lie on it. Are you looking for the fuel tank?
No, I got it right here.
You know where it is? I've had success time to time.
Just hitting the fuel tank?
Yeah. Hang on. I'm dressed worse than you. I'll do it while you crank it. How about that?
Okay.
Pretend it's your ex-wife or something.
What's that?
I'll just pretend it's your ex-wife and hit it. Oh, you're pretending. Which
one?
Touche. If it's the fuel tank, if it's the fuel pump. Well, you got a better sock than I had. Yeah! I told you. Fuel pump. Can I tell you another secret? I recorded the whole thing. I'm going to put it on YouTube. You going to kill me? Swear to God.
No, you're not.